Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about how to manifest the perfect body for you step by step. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe on this channel. We talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You also wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me where I bring you to your desired reality step by step. What I can say for a fact is that my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to be brought to your desired reality as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click the first link in the description box down below and follow the prompts. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any questions that you may have and you will be guided through your situation by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can literally click the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, don't worry, I got you. You can click the Patreon link down below and join through there. It is the exact same program. First of all, you have to know that this is completely easy to do, if not the easiest way to getting your desired body. Not going to the gym, not eating correctly, but using the power of your mind, because it is the most powerful tool that you have. No effort is required. The only thing that is required is stepping into the state of being your desired weight or having those abs or having that juicy badonkadonk. Then we need to be specific with what we are manifesting. Do you want to be 50 kilograms? Do you want to have juicy, perky titties? Do you just want to look slim? It doesn't matter what it is. You do not have to go into detail as long as you want it deep down inside in your heart of hearts. We do not need to go in depth, in detail about every single centimeter of your body, what you want to change, as long as it is specific enough in terms of, I want to be skinny, right? That is a clear intention. Or you can go specific and say, I want my stomach to be on flat. I want to have a perky butt. I want to have slim arms. I want to be 60 kilograms, 55 kilograms, whatever it is, it does not matter. Now I want you to get a notebook out and a pen and write down, I am 60 kilograms, let's say, if that's what you're manifesting. After you wrote down your clear intentions, I want you to write in big block letters, it is already done. As you are writing these things, I want you to step into the state of right now having. What does this mean? It means that you are not getting it by tomorrow, you have it right now. Even if you cannot smell, hear, taste, touch, feel your body being lighter, whatever it is, even if that is not something that you can feel in this 3D realm, does not mean that you do not have it right now, because you have it in your 3D reality the second that you decided in here. It is just up to the world to bring it about. That's not your problem. Your work here is done. It is gonna come to you anyways once you release that resistance, but more on that later. The second that you finish writing E in done, it's already done. Now listen carefully to me here. I want you to do this thing with your body that basically tells you that you have quantum jumped into a new reality. So as soon as you finish writing E, I want you to jerk your body. As you write E, in It's Already Done, after writing what it is that you want, I want you to go like this. That's it. And as you go down, you are now in the reality where you are 55 kilograms or whatever it is that you are manifesting. You have now stepped into the state where you have your perfect body. Now, I want you to go in on this. Is this your priority or not? If it is, if you want to get this as soon as possible with no effort required, here is what I want you to do after that. I want you to robotically affirm from morning to night time that of your desired body. So if it's 55 kilograms, you're making it nice and simple for yourself and saying, I'm 55 kilograms, I'm 55 kilograms, I'm 55 kilograms. I have a perfect body, I have a perfect body, I have a perfect body. I am so happy with my body, I am so happy with my body, I am so happy with my body. I have the same body as Bella Hadid, I have the same body as Bella Hadid. So I would suggest to pick about 2 to 3 affirmations that really go deeply into your desired perfect body. So I'm talking about as you're making breakfast, as you're having breakfast, as you're going for a walk, or as you're getting ready, or if you're at work and you're bored, or you're on your break, or anything where you do not require brain power, for example, doing work or talking to someone, any other time but that, I want you to non-stop affirm your 3 affirmations. Then what I want you to do is when you go to sleep in the evening, I want you to do sats. Now you can either visualize or affirm. You do not only need to visualize while using sats. If you are using affirmations, I want you to pick one that is the easiest to you, that is the most simple, the shortest, the quickest. Our goal is to fall asleep. We do not want to overcomplicate anything while getting sleepy. We want to use as least brain power as possible. If it were me, I would pick I am insert weight here. So for example, if you are manifesting 55 kilograms, then you would, as soon as your head hits the pillow, start saying, I'm 55 kilograms, I'm 55 kilograms, I'm 55 kilograms, I'm 55 kilograms in your head. And we are repeating this until we fall asleep. When you wake up, I want you to do this again for 10 minutes, because not only are you in sats as you're falling asleep and you are sleeping all night, you are actually in sats when you wake up for the first 10 plus minutes. So let's say that you need to wake up at 7 a.m. I want you to set an alarm for 6:50 a.m., fully knowing that the second that alarm hits, we are non-stop affirming again. We've woken up and we are consistently affirming. I'm 55 kilograms, I'm 55 kilograms, I'm 55 kilograms, I'm 55 kilograms. If you are visualizing, and if it were me, I would choose visualizing for something like an appearance change, because appearance is usually something visual to me. I'm a visual person and it helps me see my body looking skinnier rather than say it over and over again. So I would imagine myself looking in the mirror and just having whatever body that I want, right? Reflecting back at me. That's it. It can literally just be an image of me looking at myself in the mirror, or a 5-second loop of me twirling around. Honestly, it does not matter, whatever is the easiest thing. I got my 100,000 subscribers by just using an image, seeing 100,000 subscribers, right, in my mind. Rita Kaminski, 100,000 subscribers. The next and final step that I want you to do is follow your happiness on a moment-to-moment basis. Do what makes you feel the best in every single moment. Paired off with affirming as much as you can throughout the day. What does this mean? If you have an urge to go on TikTok, go on TikTok. Regardless of if you need to even go to the gym or do your homework or whatever it is that you think is the right thing to do, it is not the right thing to do. The right thing to do is what your higher self is telling you to do. You do know that your higher self, your subconscious mind, is leading you to your manifestations through your passions, through what makes you feel the best in each moment. If I feel like taking a walk, that is serving me to lose weight. If I feel like eating this and not eating this, that is serving me to lose weight. Even if that thing is a can of beer. Not only is it leading you to your manifestations, it is releasing resistance. So it's not to say that you have to put in work to lose weight. It is just that you are opening a higher channel for yourself and you are releasing resistance. If your path of least resistance is taking a walk, then that's what you should do if that makes you happy. Because your subconscious mind knows your blocks right now. Your subconscious mind knows that, hey, right now, we can't just do a backflip and instantly be 55 kilograms. Not that that's impossible, but that your subconscious mind is working with you. So if your subconscious mind is telling you through your passions, through what makes you feel good, to walk or not walk and go on TikTok, then that's exactly what is going to lead you to your manifestation. But not only that, because I'm not saying that it's just you putting in action in the 3D, because it's not. It is also about releasing your resistance. What does this mean? Resistance is anything that is not positive. Resistance is doubts, fears, negativity, anything that is not of your higher self, right? So in order to have an open channel, to be happy, to be our higher self, we must do what makes us feel the best in each and every single moment. That will distract us from our doubts. So as soon as we release the wavering, the resistance, the doubts, whatever it is, our manifestation literally falls in our lap and we are able to wake up the next morning with our desired weight, or literally blink, open our eyes, and we have our desired weight. It is really that simple. It is these two things together, right? But in order to release resistance, we have to do things in each and every single moment that makes us happy. We must ignore and not identify, not look at, disregard, not ruminate on, not tell a story on the emotions, because you are not your emotions. Feel them, but do not sit there and identify it, right? So I can sit here and identify, okay, this is a ring light right now. This ring light is giving me bigger eyes. It is lighting my shit up. It is making me look amazing. It's making me look busting with a capital T. And it's making me have more subscribers because I look good. Do you see how that is just a story that I told myself when really it's just a ring light? So this ring light has nothing to do with me. Same thing with negative thoughts. That negative thought has nothing to do with you. For example, if you are saying, I can never be 55 kilograms, or I look so fat, I'm so uncomfortable with my body. No, that is not your truth. If it does not feel good, it is not your truth, because you are meant to be on this planet to feel good and be happy. So we are looking at it for what it is. We're letting it be there for as long as it wants to be there. And we're distracting ourselves by doing what? By doing what makes us feel happy, or the best that we can in this moment. Even if your best is just a 0.0000001% of whatever it is that you're feeling right now. Maybe watching a TikTok and distracting yourself for a little bit. Whatever it is, that is bringing you to your manifestation. Okay, so with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.